e no dey normal for you to be treating malaria every time. E no dey normal.
Me, I get I know they sick all the time, sha. I know they sick like that. My sickness can come once in a year, sir. But now this malaria we talk about, so now only waiting they disturb me. If I want sick, that malaria we talk, so now only wait there, they always dey fear of me. Yeah.
How you dey take know say na malaria?
Because my pee, if you don't change color,
if you yellow,
yes, I will come feel that diesel, and if I can't go do test. I did do test. I get nurse where they check me. I will do test before she go.
Okay.
Malaria and typhoid. Now wait till she.
Okay. Malaria and typhoid not be brother and sister. They must not go together. There are many sicknesses that can make your urine yellow. Oga, not be only malaria they make urine yellow. Do you know liver problem can also make your urine yellow?
This just in a dehydration.
If you say you no drink water, if it be stress
they make urine yellow.
Go make your urine yellow.
Wow.
But everybody where urine just yellow, go say, na malaria they do me. Then add typhoid. Now that one go make me and you get problem this morning because I don't talk entirely. Say leave typhoid alone. If typhoid catch you, wallahi, you go run enter hospital, they go admit you. That one not be typhoid.
I want to ask question, doctor. Please, not only when a mosquito or sandfly or anything bite person, they get malaria.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Thank you so much, Dr. Fred.
Okay, so the thing where they cause malaria, that thing where they cause malaria. Now only mosquito, female, infected female anopheles mosquito.
Woman wahala.
When it bites you, now you go carry malaria.
Okay.
Food no go give you malaria. Because say you enter sun beat you, it no go give you malaria. But we know, say you get one type of the thing where they cause malaria. When it enter your body, if it go sit down for your liver, it go dey there, go hide. After a long time, if you just wake up, enter your system, cause problem again. We get different, what we call species of plasmodium parasites.
Chai.
Now mosquito they carry plasmodium.
Okay.
So no be if black fly bites you give malaria, no.
Okay.
But you get one of those species, plasmodium. When you enter your body, you go just enter the liver, go sit down for there, go hide for house. Nobody go know say you inside house. You go clean, go just dey for there. One day if you just come out again, cause you problem. That's why it happen. But now only mosquito, now they cause and not be food. They cause malaria, other things.
Okay. You don't hear and say no be food they cause malaria. Somebody for years say, doctor, he say, good morning, doctor. Is it true that if someone is AA, the person go they get malaria every month? Me, I'm AA. I treat myself every month of malaria. I bet it go benefit me too, because we will be AA like this.
Okay, so the thing be say because you be AA, no mean say you supposed to dey treat malaria every time.
True.
There are many AA when no treat malaria for more than 1 year, 2 years. You dey hear me so? So that idea of I be AA, now make me dey treat malaria every time. It is wrong. It means say you dey do wrong stuff. Whether your house they train mosquito, it be like you love to train mosquito around you, or get mosquito nets, or they use fleets insecticide. Or maybe your immune system, you don't dabar, you don't scatter. But because you be AA, no means say you supposed to treat malaria every time. Now, if AA and AS dey together, mosquito come by the two of them, AA go most likely come down with malaria fast past AS.
Okay.
Because the AA blood, it help the stuff develop well.
Oh.
The blood is very okay for the parasite to develop.
Oh.
But if na S, before the parasite go build inside the blood,
yes,
it go break down. The parasite no go fit grow.
Okay.
But the A blood is very strong and good. It get
sweet.
Everything for the mosquito to develop. But because say you be AA, is not an excuse for you to be treating malaria every time.
This is where you talk now, they think plenty things.
Think it for us.
I think a lot of things.
Think
So now is it bad to be AA? It's not bad.
It's not bad. AA na good stuff.
No mind me, because me na AA, proud AA na be. Good morning, Doctor Ran saying, say I don't believe people that always say they treat malaria always. So I am AA and O positive, and I hardly fall sick. Choose about Pauline all the way from Ojodo Bega.
It's about thank you.
Because most thing with me they get maybe headache or something or
stress.
This, and na stress now they cause my own headache. And this city where they stress me as I'm talking now, the teeth is doctor. What do I need to do?
See your dentist. Let us visit the teeth.
You cannot tell me what.
Let us visit the teeth. That teeth is very stubborn.
I know, and I've been pushing my appointments.
You know since. Now so you are like a Nigerian.
I don't come meet you for so many times for this teeth, and you go tell me say go and meet your dentist.
You no go agree.
I no go hide. I'm a Nigerian. Good morning, Doctor Ansayene. He say, Doctor, you are right. So I went for test, and the test results say I don't have malaria, but typhoid been plenty for my system, all the way from Lekki.
How you take notion at typhoid? There's nothing like
go do test.
There's nothing like typhoid plenty.
But then they write typhoid plus.
There's nothing like typhoid plenty.
Okay.
You know, so when I they talk like this, I they talk with 101% confidence and steeze.
Okay.
Waiting for somebody to come talk, may say it's a be well. May come prove. Say everything I talk not correct.
Okay.
There's nothing like typhoid plenty. It's either you have it or you don't.
Okay.
That test of e high, e low, e plenty, e small. We don't throw away. We not they use them again.
Okay.
We don't throw away and te.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.